Welcome back to Overheat, Volvo Motorhome, 2026. Façade. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome has a futuristic and eye-catching façade. In addition to being aesthetically beautiful, the body's sleek. Aerodynamic lines increase fuel or power efficiency. The recognizable Thor's hammer headlamps and illuminated Volvo emblem at the front are two examples of the distinctive Volvo design. Practicality is increased by built-in storage access and camping features like a bike rack and retractable awning. Interior. A fully integrated central infotainment system with smart controls and a high-resolution digital cluster are characteristics of the cockpit area. Everything in the RV, including the entertainment systems and lighting, may be fully controlled by this system. Large panoramic windows provide light and warmth in the lounge area. With a concealed projector and screen, this space may be transformed into a mini cinema, an eating room, or even a lounge. A huge refrigerator, smart storage, and a sleek induction cooktop are among the high-end appliances in the kitchen. Cooking while traveling is enjoyable because to its practical design. To guarantee a comfortable night's sleep, the master bedroom features a queen-size memory foam bed, a walk-in closet, and superior sound insulation. You can create the ideal atmosphere thanks to the adjustable lighting throughout. A dual electric all-wheel drive AWD drivetrain with roughly 500 horsepower powers this RV. A hybrid electric variant that supports solar power is also mentioned in certain sources. Range, with a clever regenerative braking system to maximize efficiency. This RV can travel up to 480 kilometers on a single charge. Additionally, fully fitted are Volvo's renowned safety systems, including automated emergency braking, a 360 camera, and pilot assist. The motorhome's high-efficiency rooftop solar panels, sophisticated battery storage system, and water recycling unit enable users to live independently off-grid for lengthy periods of time for long arm excursions. A smartphone app can be used to control every aspect of the motorhome.